welcome to my channel and welcome to Tech Thursday. And today we are going to unbox a Sony speaker. So let's sanitize our hands and let's get started. Sony SRS-XB22. It means XB means extra bass, model 22. I don't know SRS means. So its main features are waterproof, 2 hours of long battery life, and party booster, and we can also chain it with other speakers, and we have speaker phone, voice assistant. So it has got pretty cool design. So let's open it, guys. So I am about to take it out. So here is the speaker. I will take it out, and here are the manual books, all the paperwork. They are not necessary. Let's put it here. Let's keep it aside. So here is our main speaker. Oh, it's too good, guys. So here it's written extra bass, live sound, IP67 waterproof, not bad, and 12 hours of battery life, and it's got so good look. Its finishing is so awesome, like this. Let's turn it on. Okay, I'm impressed with the light. So here we have the pairing. Okay, done. Let's go to YouTube. Let's try with my favorite song. This is my all-time favorite song. Oh my god.
It's been a long day.
The lighting is actually according to the music. You know?
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong, and what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first in the life, how can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you.
That's all for this speaker. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like it.